What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco. I'm back with a hit and a smash. Bang! You don't see already people from a deal with my title. Yeah, man. Today, we got a new song from none other than yeah, man, Skillibeng. Yeah, man, the man drop a song like a week now entitled Two Gyal. I'm gonna check it out today. You see me and see what I go on. So if you don't know, this is the latest channel over. If you're new to the channel, go ahead, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I drop them. Returning views and subscribers. Don't know, I love you guys. You guys are the best. We're going strong over here. You don't know. Lately, I take over the whole 2021, don't it? Yeah, man, you don't know things that we're, latest family on YouTube. So become part of our family by hitting the like button and subscribe button. You see me? So you can get my videos. This is our latest reaction channel on YouTube without a doubt. You don't know things that. I'm gonna go out and more frequent upload and things coming, people. You see me? Prize and surprises coming. We're right around the corner from 1K. You don't know. Just like, comment, share, and subscribe. But one of them will come even more often. You see me? So yeah, man, without further ado, like me I say, we check out Skillibeng today, new video. Yeah, man, entitled Two Gyal. Yeah, I've been the one already, but we just like get around people. I don't know things set, you see me? I've been busy, I've been, getting late. Well, we're gonna talk about it later on in the video, but right now, I check out the song. You see me? This is Skillibeng new song, Two Gyal. Let's get it.
Yo,
Voila. No, sir. Should I explain why I gotta pull it up? Should I even explain why I have to pull it up? Yo, come on, man. Oh, my God. Hey, him know what I'm doing now. He know what I'm doing in tune them and he know what I'm doing in video them. Him know what I'm doing. He know to grab people attention. You see me? Yo.
Is that?
It's a vibe already. The beat, yeah, man, it'll bring you the word. And the girl must shake up, brother. Yo, this should grab your attention already. Man, surround himself would be a gyal. You mean, dog? Bumbo clown. See what the video I go.
Two gyal I suck my dick, yeah. I saw me do it. Two gyal I suck my dick. Bad bitch. Two big dirty feet, yeah. Bad bitch.
Hey, the man let's go. Nah, man. Yeah? Two gyal I suck my dick. Yeah. Two bad bitch. I don't say that's a comedy thing, raw dog. Bumbo clown. Come in, man. No, it's from the top. Come in.
Is that? Two gyal I suck my dick, yeah. I saw me do it. Two gyal I suck my dick. Bad bitch. Two big dirty feet, yeah. Bad bitch. Fuck you, make your money speak, yeah. Bad freak. Stand up if your pussy big. Wine if your pussy squeeze like a.
Oh, God. Man said, bad. Stand up if your pussy big. Wine if your pussy has squeeze, blood. Hey.
Ice cream, yeah. Let me see your tongue, find your tongue clean. Banger on a chopper phone, pussy boys not allowed when you see we at the club. Be a gunman a roll with.
Man say, allow the tongue if your tongue clean, girl. Let me see a like tongue emoji them for the clean tongue, girl. Them. You don't know the girl them know for do them. Bumbo clad vibe.
Some man a roll them, I forgot on at home when you see me black out, no face it a bat out. Me hooding at them girl face like blackhead old pussy.
Hold on. Easy. If you want the girl tune them man a chop like see me my youth. And the bumbo clad. Yeah, man I say.
Tongue clean. Banger on a chopper phone, pussy boys not allowed when you see we at the club. Be a gunman.
Pussy boys not allowed. What do you mean? What do you mean in the club? Pussy you can't come in when we in the club. I want to know my youth at the bumbo. No pussy boy allowed. When we in the club, be a gang. Hey, okay,
road we some man a roll them. I forgot on at home when you see me black out, no face it a bat out. Me hooding at them.
When you see me black out, no face it a bat out, pussy. You don't see me gun till it's too late. You know, bumbo clock, don't know. Yeah, man. Yo, nobody nothing live and talk about any bumbuckle.
Face like blackhead old pussy. If your girl see me now, I'll fuck a go up east side, down a roll, take a boy, girl, of course. Girl, a wheeze and a choke. Two gyal a suck my dick, yeah. I saw me do it. Two gyal a suck my dick, me bad bitch. Two big dirty feet, yeah. Bad bitch. Fuck you, make your money speak, yeah. Bad freak. Wine if your pussy clean. Bad freak. Wine if your pussy squeeze like a vice.
Buckler, the brother ya. I go for the brother ya me crossover tune, cause this is like, this can play with rap music and thing, dog. You see me with the drill and everything and the chop. Yo, you know what I'm doing that, dog? Hey!
Flex if your wrist freeze. Tell X you go see digits. Me have two gyal a skinny tot. Two of them a give me throat. Me no ramp with the road fire like a mini Ford. Man a done. Anyway me come me get pretty whole. Fuck them coming at them face. Who no kiss it out.
Fuck them coming at me. Hey, Buckler! Yo, I get to explain this on the channel still, no, but yo. The man that do it, people me know nothing about a song now. You don't know anything go. Let me know if it's a hit or miss. Let me know if you like it. You see me? Tap the fire emoji, Jamaican emoji, symmetry, shit emoji. Let me know anything about the artist. We don't think about the video. You see me? You think about the lyrics, the beat. You know what I'm saying? Let me know anything. You see me? I don't know if you like it. Definitely go show the artist some love. I'm making you know, Jambisco anyway, the strongest and littest channel on YouTube. Yo, I'll be a vibe. Yo, the song about dog and the girl them mad dog. The girl them a go on.
Hey. Kiss it out. Two gyal a suck my dick, yeah. I saw me do it. Two gyal a suck my dick, me bad bitch. Two big dirty feet, yeah. Bad bitch. Fuck you, make your money speak, yeah. Bad free. Stand up if your pussy big. Wine if your pussy squeeze like a vice grip, yeah. Let me see your tongue, find your tongue clean.
Hey, Bobo Clad. Hey, yo, that's a vibe. That's a blood clot vibe. The girl, me know the girl them love that. You see me? Yeah, man. Yo, and it's a girl tune. It's a bad man girl tune. It's a girl them can play and the bad man them can play it. You see me? The thugs them can play. Yeah, man. They don't know what do, man. The song the bad man. Yeah, man. Vibe's a vibe, man. I don't want to think. You see me? Don't be honest. I don't want to think. You see me? If you don't like it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. But yo, it's a vibe, man. You don't know what I'm saying? If you like it, definitely show the artist some love. You know, say Jambisco, you know. You see me? Make sure you hit the like button, you see me, and the subscribe button. Turn on the post notification bell. Because I don't know the video them lit. You see me? The vibe lit over here, so. You see me? You don't know, so this is how you come all a vibe and listen to music and things. You see me? Yo! Hopefully, yeah, first time I watch a video, you see me, I say first time I hear the tune too, so yo, hopefully the first time when I enjoy it with me, you see me, I say, cause yo, that was lit, man, yeah, man, yo, Skillibeng doing this thing, you see me, I say, no, man, do, whatever he's doing, working for him, keep it up, you can't take it to the top, you see me, the man, you see me, man, them song crossover, you can play hip-hop and everything and other music, you know what I'm saying, so he doing it, yeah, man, Skillibeng, yeah, man, to the top, dog, you don't know, yeah, man, people. Yeah, yo, so guys, yeah, I'm back. I'm coming with more frequent uploads and more frequent videos. You don't know, daily. We're gonna try to drop like 2-3 videos a day. You know what I'm saying? Gonna get on the grind for real. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, lately I've been really on my investment and stuff. So I've been looking at investing and stuff. So lately I've been just taking out time to study, you know, and get my money up. If anybody out there, I really advise you to take a look in investing in the stock market. You know what I'm saying? Maybe Forex, or you know, anything. But you don't know. Take steps to better your future, you know what I'm saying, guys, you know what I'm saying. I'm happy to be back, glad to be dropping these bangers. Hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, we're going to turn up better videos, better vibe, everything, you know. Just keep sending me songs to check out. You don't know UK music. You know we on the UK drill hard. Hip-hop, you know I listen to hip-hop, so send me, no genre is off limits. Send me songs, I check them out, and you know, react to them. You don't know. It's your boy Jambisco. I was here and I hit and I smashing up banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.